So, like I said, I don't like videotape. Blah, blah. Yeah. There was somebody coming, so I just decently turned it off. And then he warned me that there's a German Shepherd up here. And I said, that's fine. She loves dogs. It's me that has problems with some dogs. When... Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Yeah. I guess I should tell that story. Hi, guys. Okay, so... When I was about... Boy... I'm gonna have to say about 27, maybe 28. Like I said, I love our dogs. If it wasn't for needles and euthanization, I probably would have become a vet. Not my thing. And all the surgeries and stuff. But he was saying there's a German Shepherd, and I said that's fine. I said I have no problem with because she always goes and runs towards the dogs. It's me. And what happened was I was working at a Goodwill store, and of course it's cheaper there, and you get, good stuff and all that stuff. Anyway, I had a rabbit jacket or something like that, and so it was fake. It wasn't real. It was just a fur jacket. Anyway, so a dog, because I had my hoodie on, it was winter, went to come after me because of the jacket. And didn't bite me, but scared the crap out of me because he almost got out of his owner's arm, and it was a German Shepherd. And I know that the jacket triggered him, and so I never wore it again. But I tell you, it scared the shit out of me. So, yeah, I don't have a problem, but yet I'm leery. And then this one, my munchkin, picks up on my energy. I know. But also my energy and my anxiety is because a lot of people I can't hear, so they start talking to me, and I'm like, smile through the whole thing. Some people I can hear, no problem. I mean, I can hear them, yeah. Anyway, so that was that. I also got attacked. We used to always get dogs from the SPCA, which is an issue I have, because she was so used to getting garbage and not being fed properly, and she was a greyhound? No, an Afghan dog, or an Afghan dog, a huge dog. And I went to get her out of the garbage and she bit me. Not her, she didn't break skin, but my parents got rid of her because then it would have been an ongoing, it would have gotten worse. So, yeah, that's how that works. And she started being possessive of my mom. Not good. Okay, we're going a different way today. Alright, I'm gonna flip you guys now that I know you know the story. Oh. Alright. Where's this at? We don't usually come up this way. So, a towel? Or a tent? Oh, something down there. Right there. I wonder if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, see? Okay. Huh. Hey, yeah, then we've never been up this way. Usually we go down the mountain. Go down. This is where the tent was. Somewhere up here was the tent. Yeah. Oh God, this is so nice, guys. Oh, so there's even a 12 up higher. Okay, she's taking me back the other way. But this is amazing. Yeah, see, there's the gate down there. Kimi, I don't want to keep going up because the coyotes being seen. And I can't defend myself with you. Or defend you with them. That's my anxiety. I really do need to bring someone out here with me. Hey, team. So if any of you guys are close by, you know me. Heck, just comment down below and maybe we'll pick a day to come out and trek out. Obviously, I would prefer if it was somebody that had their first needle. I have that right. There's so many people that just don't believe in the needle, and I'm at this point thinking, okay, you can stay on that side of the fence, people. Maybe Cameron can bring the dog. Oh, no. Come on, Keem. I want to check up here. Oh, this is where the tent was. What is that? Oh, it's a bird. You got me twisted around on you, Keem. Sorry. She went around me. Oh my gosh. Now where are you taking me? That's just a walnut. Anyways, guys. Enjoy. Actually, fun fact. I had a cousin and my brother that came down this hill. Was it this hill? Yes, it was this hill. Came down this hill, went all the way down, and he wiped out. I don't know if he wiped out up here, but his face was pretty gnarly. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Have a wonderful day. It's Catherine Craig. Peace out.